Here I've got Qilive 5039D, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now click on accounts, and as you can see, currently I am logged in with my Google account, so if you would like to remove the Google account, click on the current one and select remove account. And just be aware that this will erase all data connected with this account, like messages, contacts and other data. But I would like to do it, so click on remove account, and that's it. As you can see, it's no longer connected with your device. And whenever you would like to add a new account or just log in with the previous one, open the settings again, click on accounts, select add account, and here you've got Google, so smoothly select Google. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to enter your email address and any other data from Google. And in my case, it's email address. You can also use your phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. And then click on next. And here it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And then click on next. It's time to come along with Google Terms of Service, privacy policy and also Google Play Terms of Service. And if you agree with all the following conditions, just tap on I agree right here. And that's it. As you can see, backup to Google Drive is active and all the other services from Google. Tap on accept to confirm and to finish the whole process. And as you can see, you've just added Google account to your device. So that would be all, so you can quickly and easily add and remove Google account in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.